The protocol. 20 revolution. Pi Network just dropped a bombshell that changes everything. Protocol 20 is coming, and it's bringing full smart contract functionality to their 50 million strong community. Let me put this in perspective. When Ethereum launched smart contracts in 2015, it revolutionized blockchain technology, but created a new problem: accessibility. Today, deploying a smart contract on Ethereum costs anywhere from $50 to $500 in gas fees. Most people can't afford to experiment, learn, or build. Pi Network is about to shatter that barrier completely. Protocol 20 introduces smart contract tokenization directly within Pi's mobile-first ecosystem. This means a student in Bangladesh can deploy the same smart contract functionality as a Silicon Valley developer, without paying prohibitive fees or navigating complex development environments. But here's where it gets revolutionary. Pi Network isn't just copying Ethereum's smart contract model, they're reimagining it for mass adoption. While Ethereum optimizes for institutional use, Pi Network optimizes for human use. The technical implications are staggering. We're talking about automated escrow systems for peer-to-peer marketplaces, programmable payment splits for collaborative projects, and decentralized identity verification, all accessible through smartphone interfaces that regular people actually understand. Developer awakening. The Pi hackathon community is experiencing what I can only describe as a creative explosion. Developers who've been building basic applications are suddenly envisioning complex, decentralized systems that leverage Pi coins as programmable assets. I've been monitoring the developer discussions, and the projects being conceptualized are mind-blowing. One team is building a decentralized marketplace where smart contracts automatically handle payments, shipping verification, and dispute resolution. Another group is creating automated lending platforms where Pi coins serve as collateral without requiring traditional credit checks. The beauty lies in the accessibility. These aren't PhD computer scientists working for venture-funded startups. These are passionate builders from every corner of the globe who finally have tools that match their ambitions. Pi Network's developer toolkit is designed around simplicity without sacrificing power. Complex blockchain operations become drag-and-drop functions. Multi-signature wallets become point-and-click configurations. Smart contract deployment becomes as intuitive as posting on social media. This democratization of smart contract development could unleash innovation on a scale we've never witnessed. When barriers disappear, creativity explodes. If Pi Network's smart contract revolution excites you as much as it excites me, smash that like button right now. It helps YouTube understand that technical innovation deserves more coverage than price speculation. And hit that subscribe button because we're tracking every Protocol 20 development as it unfolds. Technical excellence and security. Pi Network's approach to smart contract implementation demonstrates remarkable technical maturity. Instead of rushing to market like many projects do, they're conducting extensive testing phases that prioritize security and scalability above speed. The progression from testnet 2 to potential testnet 3 reflects lessons learned from other blockchain security disasters. Remember the DAO hack that cost Ethereum users $50 million? Pi Network is implementing safeguards to prevent similar catastrophes before they happen. Their security priorities reveal sophisticated understanding of smart contract vulnerabilities. They're focusing on preventing re-entrancy attacks, overflow exploits, and access control failures. Technical terms that basically mean making sure hackers can't steal your money. But security isn't their only focus. Pi Network is optimizing for transaction efficiency while maintaining their commitment to low fees and high throughput. This balance is crucial because smart contracts are computationally intensive operations that could slow down or expensive the entire network if poorly implemented. The technical documentation and developer support infrastructure they're building suggests institutional-grade preparation. This isn't amateur hour. Pi Network is positioning for enterprise adoption from day one, market disruption and institutional interest. Here's what mainstream crypto media isn't telling you. Institutional investors are quietly reassessing Pi Network's potential. The announcement of Protocol 20 changed their calculus completely. Previously, institutions viewed Pi Network as an interesting social experiment with limited technical capability. Smart contract functionality transforms Pi Network into a legitimate competitor to established blockchain platforms. The market implications extend far beyond price speculation. We're potentially witnessing the emergence of the first blockchain platform that combines Ethereum-level programmability with WhatsApp-level accessibility. Venture firms that focus on Web3 infrastructure are suddenly scheduling meetings with Pi Network developers. Enterprise clients who need blockchain solutions but can't afford Ethereum's fees are exploring Pi network alternatives. The exchange listing discussions that have been delayed for years might accelerate rapidly once Protocol 20 demonstrates technical competence. Major exchanges list projects based on utility and adoption metrics, not just community hype. But here's what makes this truly disruptive. Pi Network isn't chasing institutional validation. They're building institutional quality infrastructure while maintaining grassroots accessibility. This combination is unprecedented in blockchain history. The mainnet vision, Protocol 20, represents Pi Network's final transformation from social experiment to programmable economy. The roadmap toward full mainnet deployment with smart contract support is becoming crystalline. Each testing phase brings the network closer to its ultimate vision, a decentralized platform where 50 million users can build, trade, and innovate without permission from centralized authorities or prohibitive technical barriers. The upcoming milestones, testnet 3 deployment, developer toolkit release, expanded hackathon participation, aren't just technical checkboxes. They're stepping stones toward redefining what blockchain adoption looks like at scale. Before we close, I need 3 actions from you. Hit that like button if Protocol 20 changed your perspective on Pi Network's potential, subscribe for continued coverage of blockchain projects that actually innovate, and comment below with your prediction for when Pi Network's smart contracts will officially launch on mainnet. Pi Network's Protocol 20 announcement marks a watershed moment in blockchain evolution. By combining smart contract programmability with mobile accessibility, they're solving the fundamental tension between technical sophistication and mass adoption. While other platforms force users to choose between power and simplicity, Pi Network refuses to accept that compromise. Protocol 20 proves that advanced blockchain functionality can coexist with intuitive user experiences. The implications extend beyond Pi Network itself. If 50 million people can suddenly access smart contract functionality through their smartphones, the entire definition of blockchain adoption changes. We're not talking about thousands of developers building for millions of users. We're talking about millions of users becoming developers themselves. Thank you for joining me on TJ Crypto World for this deep dive into Pi Network's Protocol 20 revolution. If this analysis sparked your curiosity about blockchain innovation beyond the usual suspects, check out my latest video exploring projects that prioritize utility over speculation. I guarantee it'll challenge your assumptions about what makes cryptocurrency valuable. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and keep believing that technology should empower everyone, not just the privileged few.